Hello and welcome to FC Cymru. On today's episode, I'm taking a little drive down to Llangefni to meet the team at a Ten of Us Cancer Care charity shop. We'll be learning how you guys can support Ten of Us and Cymru by going red for Cymru tomorrow. More on that later. But while I take a slow drive down, why don't you guys head to Kinmel Bay and see how BT treated one of their connected clubs to a very special day.
Frank, you're the man here this afternoon, mate. Listen, what a wonderful event and fantastic for the kids to have
all about. Yeah, for the kids. I mean, they've been excited since we told them last week about coming up and so forth, and getting this on, and also watching the Wales game after. So absolutely fantastic, yeah. And I'm glad it's nice weather for it as well, yeah. But they're all enjoying themselves at the moment, as you've seen so far, and I'm definitely enjoying myself.
Tell us a little bit about the BT link and how the FAW and BT have come together for Kimball Bay.
Yeah, obviously we got the Platinum Award, and that's when BT got in touch with us from winning the Platinum Award about being a BT pub. And then obviously it roller coasted from there, getting everything in, the internet and so forth. And it helps us with computer-wise, logging all the kids on to the Comet system, signing on players. It's absolutely brilliant because we can do it from here.
And so it's going to be a really good community tool then for you, do you think?
Oh, definitely. Yeah, this is only the beginning. You know, with the day like today, it just shows what they can do. But with all this communications with the community, you can just see the club growing and growing, yeah. So it'll be brilliant too, yeah.
One of the great things about Kimball Bay was that it's a community club that's rooted in the community, and I think that's why it's sort of this whole deal with BT and being a connected club just works so perfectly.
Oh, well, absolutely. I mean, you know, 21 years now, the club's been here when Bill started it all up, and it's all been about the community. We get everyone involved, you know, everyone that we can get involved with the local areas, coming in and out, you know, using the facilities we have here. We don't stop anyone, and we're all inclusive, absolutely, very much so. Yeah.
Well, he's got autism, dyspraxia, ADHD, hypermobility, and he absolutely enjoys it. The club took him on, and they've been absolutely amazing with him. You need the club to give him a chance, you know, because you do get the chance. Other clubs that do give him chances, but you don't get what you get in here. I'd say this club has been, since he's been here, his behaviour at home has changed. He's started to relax. He's come out in himself. I can't thank the club enough, you know, and I hope he continues it, and obviously the club's going to let him do that as much as he wants to. So what more can I ask from the club?
Yeah, from day one, we've always said the club wasn't just for any elite players of any kind. It's more than football anyway. It's you know, it's about life. It's about confidence.
So I'm joined by the girls from Kinmel Bay. Hey girls! Hi! They're very excited to be here today, aren't you?
Yeah.
So can you tell me your name?
Laura.
And how important is Kinmel Bay as a club for you?
Very, since I was a kid I've been here, so it's very important.
What do you love about it?
Just playing and everyone just involves. It's just nice to be here.
What about you, Roxy?
I love that I moved here when I was young, and I came here and there was a bunch of beaches and I made a load of new friends, and all my friends are behind me right now, and everyone watching this will be supporting our team, well, hopefully.
Fantastic stuff there at Kimball, and great to see so many kids getting involved. Now I am here in the sorting room at Ten of Us Cancer Care charity shop in Llangefni with Diane, the shop manager. Diane, you're showing me how it's done.
Yes.
But I suppose the last year with the pandemic has been quite difficult for Ten of Us as a charity.
Yes, it has. We have 38 shops in Wales, and during the pandemic we've been shut for, I think it's something like 7-8 months, different periods, so it has been quite difficult. We've lost a lot of volunteers who felt they didn't want to carry on volunteering because they might be having to shield or have families at home with health problems. We rely on people donating quality items so that we can raise money to provide income for the charity, but we need volunteers to help us sort out those quality items.
And if someone still wants to get involved but maybe can't give their time to volunteer, is there other ways that they can help support the charity?
Yes, as I said, you can fundraise, but also I think just spreading the word about the charity, about what we do and the support that's available. And on Wednesday we're asking everyone if they will wear red, and we have got lots of quality items in the shop that are red.
So just like us, they can wear red on Wednesday,
yes.
Or they can, and by donating £1 as well,
yes.
In doing so help with the charity and help support, or get their hands on one of these lovely bands as well. Thank you very much, Diane. It's been lovely chatting to you. We'll be hearing more from 10 of us shortly, but let's head back to Kimball Bay and relive that tension of the Switzerland match.
How did you feel watching that?
It was very awesome. It was a close game as well.
I was really happy when they didn't get that last goal. Like, not the Wales, the other team.
Carol, you're part of the 10 of us Sing With Us choir. Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, I've always wanted to sing, but never thought I was good enough. So when I went along to Sing With Us Bangor, there's no audition. You don't have to be able to sing, and everybody thinks that they can't sing. But once the choir leader you just go in which section you want and find out which harmony you want to sing. You just carry on, and it's amazing what comes out when everybody's joined together. And I like that feel-good feeling afterwards. The social side, the support. And I've made so many friends since I've moved to Wales, because like I say, I've only been here 6 years, and it was a good way of meeting people. And also it brought me to volunteering.
Yes, it sounds like a lovely environment to be a part of.
There's 16 choirs throughout Wales with about 1,500 members. And since COVID, we've had to rely on doing it on Zoom. Yeah. So we've been doing about 4 or 5 sessions a week, every week since then. Everybody, leaves buzzing. So if you come feeling a bit down, and some of the other members have said I didn't really want to go because they were having a bit of a rough time, and then they've left absolutely buzzing.
For today's episode of FC Cymru, but don't forget to go red for Cymru tomorrow and donate £1 to 10 of us.